What's up, everyone? So we're already here at the Nike factory store. Another day at the Nike factory store. So hopefully, could find some good deals today. There's gonna be a lot of profitable items.
I think he's gonna get them. That's why I hope.
Oh no! The reseller already here. Someone's already got here before me. That's okay. Let's see what else do they have in here. What are the leftovers? So, hey, first off, I already saw this one. This one is not bad. Nike Zach NZ 59.97. There's no additional discount. Hey, is the additional 25% discount gonna be today? Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. So since we have the coupon membership, we have the additional 25%. I can't remember 20%. So this is gonna be a good deal. I'm picking this up. So I'm picking up the smaller sizes and leave behind the bigger size. So I'm gonna pick them up. Alright, so we have here the Nike Space City 4 $79.97. No, I'm gonna leave those behind. Oh, this one's not bad. $59.97. Very accurate with the black and white. I'm gonna check that out. Alright, so no additional discount on the back wall. Let's see what else. So we got the Nike Kill Shot shoe leather here. It's almost just like the same with the price on the online, but they had additional 20%. So I might gonna look into it. Let's see them because I like that one also. I like the colorway. What else we could find here? Look at those $39.99. Damn. Another 39 right there. 49 in the Joyride CC3. Bunch of running shoes. This one is the Nike Zoom Pegasus 35. It's almost gone. Some people are picking them up. We got the Pegasus 35 Shield, but this one much more cheaper online. So we got the Kaya Breed S2 $99.97, and then the additional discount and the AI 109. So this is gonna be a good deal right here. The Kyrie 6 TV $69.97, black and the white. Black, and the other one is the white one. With additional discount, not bad at all. So on this side, the new Lebrons are now having a huge discount, $149.97, and then we have the additional discount, 20%. Same here, they got a bunch though. The colorway pink, prime, multicolor, $149.97. This one's not bad. I'm gonna check the comps on this one. $149.97 with that colorway with additional discount. Maybe one. Look at this Samba Fury, $69.97. And then we have the additional discount. I'm gonna check the comps on those as well. And look at the Kobe 13 TV, $89.97 plus the additional discount. I'm gonna check on those as well. Now we are in the Jordan aisle. Not much going on, no retros. We got the one at 089. This one, Mars 270, has been sitting here forever, and this one is starting to annoy me as well. 129. All are sitting here. This Metcon is not bad as well, $69.99. I'm gonna check out the comps. It's almost gone. almost gone. Yep, it's almost gone. So I'm gonna check this out. $69.99. More training shoes. Oh, check this out. Varsity Complete R2. Well, the retail though is $70. $49.97. Alright, now moving on the clearance. So I already knew what's gonna buy on the regular wall, but now we are in the clearance wall. And first one, GTX boots. That's kind of expensive. That's kind of heavy as well. Man, I got me some kind of this one. There you go. Something like it. But mine is much more lighter. Zoom Freak one, $74.90. 7 Air Zoom Terra Geiger 6, $129.97. Oh, still high. This side is Air Max Tailwind 4 SE, retail $170, $69.97. Air Max 200. React Element 87, $99.97. Bunch of the Pro to React, $79.97. Here we got some Lebron low, $79.97. We got some Jordan Troner Advance, $99.97. Nike Legends React 2 Shield, $69.97. Air Force One High Suede. Like that mustard colorway, yellow mustard, ochre, $79.97. So I'm gonna check this out. How much is this one? I like the color though. In the women's section, Nike Zoom Double Stack, $129.97. Not bad. It's gonna be for personal. Why not? Do I have a size 13? Nope. We got here the Nike React Infinity Run, $99. Colorway is not bad though, but still high for now. Alright, so we are in grade school. We got the Skyray 6 here, $79.99. That one, $64, kind of high a little bit. I was hoping this one dropped the price. High, see that colorway. It's a US colorway. We're gonna wait out for that one to drop. This one's still high. The Jordan March 270, or the Jordan Flyknit Elevation 23 GS, $89.99. I got me that one. It's much comfortable though. Zoom Acadia, $39.99. Look at the $44.97. I saw this one last week. This one, they dropped the price on this one. Nike Court. You got the Air Max 200 grade school GS, $59.99. So we have here the Nike Air Max 97, $149.97. I like the colorway on this one. Not too much stink or pink with a lot of icy butter and that white. Ooh, love that color. White football boy. Well, I don't know, but I like the colorway. $149.97. I'm gonna wait out. We have in the collection though. Nice color. So checking on the counts, this one is not bad for the price, $59.97. This is the size 11. So there is a listing of 7 years old on size 11, and some are being sold for a little bit. Like this one sold for $17, $74.83. So not bad for the size 11. So I'm gonna pick those size 11, and I'm gonna leave behind some of the not good sizes. So I pick up few of this one, good sizes, and also pick up also this one, 5 pairs, and this is all that I'm taking. From this one are the good sizes, probably about 15 to 20% return. I'm just gonna do a quick flip on those.